The 26 most common heavy construction equipment. Part 5. Number 18. Motor grader. A motor grader is necessary for the construction of a road. One of the components that flattens a dirt region in order to create a road is this massive gear. A grader maintains a consistent grade by passing over sections with a metal plate that flattens them. It usually has 6 wheels and an extended snout where the flattening metal plates are placed. Number 19. Compactor. While there are many other types of compactors, the plate compactor is the most prevalent. It has a vibrating base plate that smashes uneven particles and levels surfaces. A road rolling compactor is another typical compactor. Road rolling compactors are used to level roadways in preparation for resurfacing or foundation work. Trash compactors and hydraulic compactors are very frequent on building sites. Number 20. Drum roller. Drum rollers are used to compress asphalt, dirt, and other loose materials. Typically, this machine is seen at road building sites. Smooth rollers and pad foot rollers are the two types of drum rollers. Smooth rollers apply static pressure on loose materials and employ vibration to compress them. Pad foot rollers, also known as sheep's foot rollers, create manipulative force in addition to static pressure and vibration, enabling for consistent compaction. Number 21. Compact truck and multi-terrain loader. Tiny track loaders, CTL, and multi-terrain loaders, MLT, are compact devices that carry and load goods. Both machines have front metal plate scoops that lift and break apart enormous loads. A CTL differs from an MTL in that it is more rough and exerts enormous pressure on the ground it is on, making it ideal for difficult terrain. The MTL is less durable, but it is intended for use on more sensitive surfaces. Number 22. Skidder. Logging operations also make use of skidders. These foresting equipment chop down trees and then carry them to a landing spot where they will be loaded onto a ship. Unlike forwarders, who carry logs a few inches above the ground, skidders pull logs to a loading location. For more information, call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.